Hello everyone. Many of you might have been seeing the post about assault against the doctors, hitting the doctors, mob attacking hospitals. So, yeah, why is so much grudge against the doctors in the medical fraternity and the hospitals? See, no doctor will treat a patient to kill him, right? After a minimum of 5 years for MBBS and a maximum of 15 years for to complete our whole super specialization, starting from 5.5 years of MBBS with internship of 1 year and followed by a bond, then preparation for PG post graduation entrance that may take 1 or 2 years to crack a seat, and studying for PG diploma or MD masters that may take 2 or 3 years, then followed by a bond again, and there is rural service. And if you want to do any fellowship, again extra 1 or 2 years. And if they have to, if people are willing to do super specialization, then that will take 2 years, for 1 or 2 years for preparation to get a seat, and again 2 or 3 years for completion of the super specialization. So that may take 15 years of our lives, with the sacrifices, like staying away from the family, sacrificing our personal life, sacrificing, yeah, after doing all these things and getting tested at every step, from starting from internals, from exams, from PG entrance examinations, till we reach the completely give exams and come out. We are filtered at each and every level by the experts. Just the basics. We have to know what we have to know to treat a patient, to save lives, right? So after all this training, after all this filtering, who doctor will treat a patient to kill him or her? We treat the patient to save their lives. Even in the last breath left, we try to give CPR and try to save them, right? Then why is it so much grudge towards the doctor that they kill patient, that they don't treat properly, that they just treat patient for the money? And how is asking for a consultation fees is considered as wrong? How can a doctor be judged because he is asking consultation fees for what he is treating? This is our bread and butter. This is what we earn to feed our family. We have families to feed. So there may be some delay in the diagnosis of a certain cases. That's why we give it as an initial step. We will give it as a differential diagnosis, because many diseases look alike, right? And after certain investigations, after discussing with the further with the experts, we come to a confirmed diagnosis, right? So that this period may take time to get our investigations and everything. So in this period, within this period, why do you judge the doctors so badly, right? That you can hit them, that you can just bash them like anything. No, this is not the way. None of the other professionals are treated this way. But why doctors? If this continues, there might come a day where we may have to see the younger generations getting afraid to take up a medicine profession as their career, and we as a public will be responsible for it, and we are the one who will be suffering without the doctors. So please don't do this. This is not the way to treat any person, not just doctor, any person. Please treat us with some humanity.